Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Acrobat to create fillable PDF content, or files rather. So you can use this for your workbook, worksheets, checklists, and journals that you want to make them fillable. So the first step would be to open up the documents that you want to combine together and make them fillable. In this case, I have these documents that I'm going to select. And as you can see, these documents are currently not fillable, and we're going to, by using Acrobat, make them fillable. And these are the documents. So the first thing that we need to do is go to Tools, and then we're going to combine files. And you have two options. You can add files by selecting the files, or you can choose the second option by clicking on Add Open Files. And here you get to adjust the files. You know, if you want to move one before the other one, you can do that here. We're just gonna change the order, and then after we're done, we're gonna click on Combine Files, and Adobe will combine it for us. And it already did, and it opened up a new tab called Binder 3. So that is for all the combined files, as you can see here. So once we have combined them, the next step would be to make them fillable. In order to do that, we need to go to Tools, and then Forms and Signatures. We click on this one here, Prepare Form. If the document requires signature, then check this box. If it doesn't, then just click on Start. And then name the file. And then there you see it. Now, most of the questions in the file have turned into a fillable box. Don't worry about this one here. This won't show. As you can see, it won't show. It's just for reference purposes when it's open in Acrobat. Most of the fields, as you can see, are fillable. However, sometimes you will come across some questions that aren't fillable, but don't worry about that. You can actually make it fillable by adding, if you come up here like that. Now, by making this one bigger, this will become fillable. If you want to repeat the same process for this question below, you make this one fillable. So sometimes it saves you time by making most of the fields fillable, but some of them, just because this software still needs some work and they're improving it as, you know, time goes by. So it will save you time, but occasionally you do have to make these changes yourself and just add fillable text. Basically, you just click on the top and then you click here, and then you extend the rectangle to make a fillable. You basically do this on most of the questions. I'm not gonna go through all of them now, but just to give you an idea. And these are the checkboxes. If the checkbox hasn't appeared, then you can basically click up here and then add it here. So for now, I'm just going to show you an example. I'm just going to add the checkbox right up here. Most of them are clickable here, as you can see. Most of them are clickable, but as I said, if it's not clickable, then just take this one here and add it, and it becomes a checkbox. So this is how you can actually customize your worksheet, checklist, or journal and make it fillable to your customers and clients. It's not that complicated. If you use Acrobat. And once, let's say, you've gone through everything and you made everything clickable, then you can save the file. And once you save it, it is available. So here you can preview the file, and as you can see, you can fill it in. You can, check that. And you can come back to the original file, and yeah, you can basically, once you're done, you just save it. Save it onto your computer, whatever you want it to be saved. And this is the file. It's clickable. You can add information. And that's basically how you can do it. It's very easy and simple by using Adobe Acrobat, and make it fillable by your customers by just adding their information online.